We're in Arkansas, staying at an archery range that we found we can stay at for free. And I'm tired. A lot of riding today. Hot, very, very hot. It's a tough day. Today's one of those days that you maybe wouldn't want to do this trail. So, it's alright. Made up by lots of good days and lots of good moments on the trail, but my behind is very sore and the heat has just like sucked everything out of me. Anyway, press on for tomorrow in the Ozarks. So we are supposed to cross through here. I think this might be the first real swollen river. But I mean, that's a hell of a current. And it looks to be about, just right here, looks to be about 3.5 feet deep. So in the middle there, it could be 8 feet deep. Who knows? Probably just 4 feet deep, but that'd still be about 1.5 feet deeper than I'd take the BMW through. Alright, well, let's figure out a workaround. The Ozark Mountains have proved formidable riding for us after heavy rains, swollen rivers, and slicker than snot roads, but they have provided some absolutely gorgeous backdrops. Breaking down camp every morning, especially after a rainstorm. Super always fun. A treat. The bike's all covered. Welcome to the Ozarks. Ta-da! Afternoon.
Just a bunch of storage stuff. What's your name?
Just this.
Oh, I've seen those before. Those helmets.
Yeah. You see, this is right here's a camera.
Yeah. So when you drive it, like you can, like people can watch you drive it.
Yeah.
I've seen it on YouTube. Good.
That's the most. My favorite dish is to eat, yeah.
Thank you much.
But I've never mixed it together.
We stopped here in, where am I?
Trenton, Arkansas.
I thought I was in Redneckistan.
Well, AKA.
AKA Trenton, Arkansas.
AKA.
A Trans-American Trail stop where I swapped out for a tractor for the rest of the trail.
I got me a BMW.
Yeah.
I always wanted one.
Traded up. We're here at the famous general store in Oark, Arkansas. People will say that you can't have a hamburger all the time. Those people are idiots. That's what flame broil is really supposed to taste like. Doing some laundry in the Arkansas Welcome Center.